As usual, we will start by creating background. After this, create a new layer and lock the first one. Create a design to which you want to apply the effect. Here I am using pen tool, but you can use any other tool. As long as the design is made of monoline, this effect will work. Now create two sources without strokes and fill desired gradient color. Remember that the number of circles and gradient color are not fixed. Now select Blend tool and click from one circle to the other. Double-click on the Blend option and change Smooth Color to specified steps. Set the steps to a large value to have a good blend when applied to the design. Using Alt plus drag, create copies of the blend equal to the number of monolines. This effect don't work on group and compound paths. So select the monolines and select Release Compound Path. Now select a monoline along with Blend, and from Object go to Blend and select Replace Spine. Here you can see that this effect don't work on group of paths. Now repeat the same steps for the remaining letters as we did with the first one. At the end, we can modify the design by using Direct Selection tool.